Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hi, my dears, today I am drawing this beautiful fruit. Let's draw together. We need brown color, red color, green color, pink color, yellow color. Let's start.
Woo!
Please subscribe. I am drawing strawberry.
Woo!
And I am drawing bananas.
Woo!
Now I am drawing a piece of watermelon.
Woo!
I am drawing cherries.
Woo! The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
It's an apple.
Woo! Hickory dickory.
Now I am drawing a pear.
Woo! The clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock.
I am coloring with pink color.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Green color.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Yellow color for bananas.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Green color.
Woo! Hickory dickory
Red color.
Woo! The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Crimson color.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Brown color.
Woo!
Green color.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Brown color.
Woo! Dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Red color.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick.
Green color.
Woo!
Light green color.
Woo! The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle 6. Hickory dickory
If you like it, please subscribe.